Hey, sweetie.
Hey, Daddy. Yeah.
Ate Raquel, how are you? Ate Minda. Hey, buddy. How are you, man? Good to see you, buddy. All right, thank you, buddy.
Okay, thank you.
See you tomorrow, man.
Okay.
Mubot siya.
Kanang gamot na lagi today, aron ligpon.
Yeah, baby, got that tied to a
Yan.
What?
Baby, what condition is the house in after 1 week?
Still good.
Still good condition?
Yeah.
All right. All you had to do is set up the front porch, right?
Wala lagi hangin, no? Dili. Then.
Yeah. You know where the bolts are, right?
Yeah. Sana on. Fatima.
Hey, baby goat. Hey, folks, once again, I want to welcome you to the village. I want to welcome you to Family Day. If you're just joining us for the first time on our show, we're located in the northern part of Cebu. About a 5-hour bus ride north from Cebu City. And in the middle of the sugarcane is Fatima's village. So welcome to Village Day. We're cooking chicken wings, what do we got? Chicken breasts or chicken thighs, hot dogs, and we're probably gonna spend the night. So anyhow, I'd like to welcome you to Family Day. Let's get over here and see how these ladies are gonna get this bed inside the tent. And we're using the front room as a sleeping room because it has more vents. The back room's not as open, so it's a little bit warmer. So The front room's a sleeping room. So let me show you how this bed is going to fit in here.
Itakilid ay, takilid.
That's-
Ay, takilid.
Okay, ladies. So they just tore up a big rip right there, ripping the floor over here. Good job, ladies. Easy. Teamwork. Easy, ladies. Easy. I don't want to hear any more fabric ripping. Easy, ladies. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Kuwato tayo dito day. Yang katong bolt sa dyan. Day, nasa kami. Ja.
Okay, so let me assess the damage that you ladies did. Oh, yeah.
Wala, kagamay rana sa tako.
That's probably mosquitoes coming in there.
Aray, day, din ay. Ay. Ay, pikas. Ako rin. Excuse.
Easy, ladies.
Give me the bolt. Bolt? Bolt or bolt? Bolt.
Good job, Calamansi. Excellent work.
Ay, joke na day. Nakon, Jen? Ano? Dili ko ano? Baliktad, ne? Is this baliktad? Ano, dili? Ay, baliktad. Marketas no? This is ano? This one is in the back.
I don't know, you tell me.
I don't know. Because kani mo siguro mo isa ka tuo, nakuan. Nya kani siya at sa katong side dito. Pero mo ni naguna. Mo ni sa ulhanan. Unsa man gyud Marcos?
Hey, Tai, what's going on, man?
Uy, namay. Asam day, kisam tukuto. Ja man day nang nagwaro.
Nakuan da Jen? Nakuan? Hindi rin nasa ibig ng suit. Hindi daw man kita soon.
What? You don't gotta be strong, you already got it in here.
Cannot get inside. This is this is a hot dog and this is a
You don't gotta be strong, you already got it in here.
Get inside. This is this is a hot dog and this is
What, the hot dog's not long enough? You're a hot dog expert, Fatima. Hold mama first, Jane.
Kuha na sana tira day jinde. Ato ko na ibutag balik kay ato ikarang.
Ladies, I'd like to thank you ladies for taking good care of my hat. I'd like to thank you ladies. My gosh, what happened to my hat?
Ibalik din din. Or adto ni sa kuan ibalik na to. Tawa Forest. Ano daw? Ano din?
Now does it fit?
Maybe no. Sige pa Jen. Kuan ni Jen. Iya sa Jen mo pas na ko na. Ini tara pa ko na. Una mo ro. Sige na. Sod. Basi. Ato daw ni baliat eh. Baliktad na to rin.
All right, ladies, you want Big Daddy to take over?
Dapat din ay. Hindi na mabisig ko
Okay, I'll make you a deal. I'll make a deal.
Aba, dira.
Somebody go get my cold beer, and I'm gonna take over, ladies.
Awak na lang.
Hey, easy, ladies. What's going on here? Whoa, there goes another rip. Ladies, ladies. There goes another rip. I keep hearing it.
Yan na daw dyan ay. Yan.
Whoa, now it's ripping over this side. What are we doing?
Ano na sisigpang mo ang dira eh? Lagot kay ko na. Gukor sa kuko na.
Oh, there goes a hole in the side. I see it. Right over here.
Wag yun na!
This is a disaster.
Sabi na dyan.
Ladies, who's getting my beer?
Badaroy. Kuan na diri daw dyan. Mo ha? Kuan na mo ha? Ha?
Bantay ha?
Lagi.
Bitaw.